So we've looked at some different angles measured in degrees. We also want to talk about a second way that we can measure angles, which is using radians. And to work our way up to this, let's first think about an angle whose vertex is at the center of a circle of radius r. So that means that this distance is r and also this distance is r. Now, if the amount of rotation between those two rays is just enough so that the distance along the outside of the circle, so this distance here, is also r, then we say that the measure of this angle is 1 radian. So that is how a radian is defined. Now, more generally, an angle theta is equal to the arc length divided by the radius, or if we rearrange this formula and solve it for s, we have s is equal to r times theta. That's what we consider the arc length formula. And this is where r is in radians. So specifically, if we're told that the radius of the circle is 6 feet and this angle theta is 2 radians, we want to find this arc length along the outside of the circle. So to do that, we're just using this formula, s equals r times theta, which means we just need to multiply. R is 6 and theta is 2, which gives us 12. And because the radius of the circle was in feet, the arc length is also going to be in feet. So that tells us that this distance along the outside of the circle would be 12 feet.